Well, good morning, dear students. In today's session, we'll continue the same problem for proving the priority algorithm. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ priority algorithm ಅನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯುವ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ same problem ಅನ್ನು ಮುಂದುವರಿಸೋಣ. Okay, priority algorithm. What we need to learn? Priority algorithm. So it is visible to you. ಇದು ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ priority algorithm ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? Is it visible? Gantt chart ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? Is it visible? Raise your hand. Well, very good. Now I need to start the Gantt chart from 0th millisecond. Now, what you are going to see in the priority algorithm, whether we are going to see the arrival time or burst time or priority. ನೀವು priority algorithm ಅನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಮುಂದಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದದ ಅಥವಾ ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತದ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಏನು priority ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ priority ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. Very good. Now decide yourself on the base of priority which process you are going to send. ಯಾವ process ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ priority base. Acha, you are sending the P2. Very good. Savitri, why are you confusing? Priority, first priority ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ನೋಡಲ್ಲೇ? First priority ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ? Priority 1 ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಐತಿ? Priority 1 ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಐತಿ? P2 ಗದ. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀ ಯಾವನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕು? P2 ನ ಕಳಿಸಬೇಕಾ? ಹೌದ್ರಿ? P2 ನ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೇನು? It is a non preemptive. Okay. At what time P2 is going to complete its task? P2 is going to complete its task. At what time P2 is going to complete its task? 9 milliseconds. Howda? Well, it is a 9 milliseconds. At 9 milliseconds, the burst time is 9 milliseconds. So it is going to complete its task at 9 milliseconds. Now tell me, after this, which process you are going to send? After this, which process you are going to send? Very good. Only 3 to 4 members are replying. Okay. You can comment. I'll see your chat. P3. Very good. Yeah, P3 kalastiri. The second priority goes to the P3. The second priority goes to the P3. Very good. So I will send P3 here. At what time it is going to complete? At what time it is going to complete? It will take a 4 milliseconds to complete its task. 9 plus 4 because it will start from 9, it will end at 4th millisecond. That is 9 plus 4 becomes 13. 9 plus 4 becomes 13. So ಬಂದು 13. Now which you are going to send? I will complete at first priority and second priority. What is the third priority given to the P4? Which is the third priority given to the P4? I will solve it and I will send it. That is P4. 9 ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. P4 ಅನ್ನ send ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. At what time it is going to complete? At what time it is going to complete? 16 milliseconds. Very good. 16 milliseconds. At last, which I am going to send? At last, which I am going to send? P1. 16 plus 8 becomes 24 milliseconds. 16 plus 8 becomes 24 milliseconds. Yes, my dear students. Now tell me. Is it clear? Gantt chart is clear to you? Now what we need to do now? Now in ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು next. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? Process arrival time, burst time, completion time, completion time. Next what? What is the next? TAT and waiting time. That is waiting time. Well, P1, P2, P3, P4, total. Now tell me, okay, what I need to write now? What I need to write now? Yes. TAT is equal to CT minus AT. Very good. ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? TAT is equal to CT minus AT. Waiting time is equal to TAT minus BT. Good. Next, what I need to write? I need to write as it is process, arrival time and burst time. ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ್ರ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು process ಅದಾವ? P1, P2, P3, P4. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. P1, P2, P3, P4. Next ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾ? Arrival time 0, 0, 1, 2. ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಪಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. What is the burst time? 8, 9, 4, 3. 8, 9, 4, 3. Now let us come to the point. What is the completion time? What is the completion time of P1? What is the completion time of P1? What is the completion time of P1? 24. Completion time of P1 is 24. Next, what is the completion time of P2? What is the completion time of P2? 9 milliseconds. What is the completion time of P3? What is the completion time of P3? What is the completion time of P3? Well, 13. P3 is 13. What is the completion time of P4? What is the completion time of P4? Very good. 16. Very good. 16. Okay. Now let us calculate the turnaround time for each process. Let us calculate the turnaround time for each process. That is 24 minus 0 becomes 24 minus 0 becomes 24. Why 24 minus 0? CT minus AT. Why in the bandaga? The formula is that completion time minus arrival time. That is 24. Dirita. What is the next? 9 minus 0. That is 9. What is P3? 13 minus 1. Completion time is 13. 13 minus 1. 12. 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2. 16 minus 2. That is 14. Very good. What is the total? What is the total? 59 is the total. What is that? 59 is the total. 59 is the total. Okay. ಹೌದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ 59. Now calculate the waiting time. Calculate the waiting time. Turnaround time minus burst time. 24 minus 8. 24 minus 8. Very good. 16. 9 minus 9. 9 minus 9. That is the waiting time of P0. P2 is 0. What is the waiting time of P3? What is the waiting time of P3? That is 12 minus 4. TAT minus BT. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. 8. 14 minus 3. 14 minus 3. TAT minus BT. 14 minus 3. 11. What is the total? 5 into 35. I think so. Am I right? 35. 35. Let us calculate the average waiting time. Average waiting time equal to total of waiting time divided by number of process. Total of ಬರಿಬದಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಗೊತ್ತಾ? Total of waiting time ಬರಿಬದಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ you can write like this. ಇದು ಲೆಂದಿಯರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. WT of P1 plus WT of P2 plus WT of P3 plus WT of P4 divided by number of processes. Total of waiting time ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ. WT of P1, WT of P2, WT of P3 ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ತಿಳಿತದ? So 35 divided by 5. How much it is? 35 divided by 5. 35 divided by 5. Sorry. Okay, sorry. The number of processes are 4 here. The number of processes are 4. How much it is? 35 divided by 4. 8.75 milliseconds. It is the answer. Next, average turnaround time. Average turnaround time equal to again total of TAT divided by number of processes. That is number of processes in the sense these 4. That is total is 59. 59 by 4. That is 14.75 milliseconds. 14.75 milliseconds. Okay, 14.75 milliseconds. Clear it is? Are you clear with the problem? The first problem, that is priority problem. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? All the 27 members. Are you clear with this one? Raise your hand. Well done. Well, then, very good. After completing this, we need to move with the round robin scheduling algorithm. That is round robin. Okay. The time quantum is equal to how much I told? 3 milliseconds. Am I right? 3 milliseconds ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Is it visible? 9 ಬರ್ದಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತೈತಿ? 9 ಬರ್ದಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತೈತಿ? Here it is visible, I think so. Is it visible now? Is it visible? Okay, very good. Round robin along with time quantum equal to 3 milliseconds. TQ under thank you Allah. TQ under thank you Allah. Time quantum. Okay. So Gantt chart we need to draw here. Here ನೀವು Gantt chart ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Okay, now tell me the Gantt chart. Which process you are going to send? P1. Well, we need to send the P1. Okay, I will send the P1. What is the completion time of P1 now? What is the completion time of P1 now? Very good. It will come out at 3 milliseconds. Andre concept ತಿಳಿದೈತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. It will come out 3 milliseconds. ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ execution time? According to the thing, execution time ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ? 8 ಇತ್ತ? 8 ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು execution ಆಯ್ತದು? 3 milliseconds ಆಯ್ತಾ? 8 ಒಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಯ್ತು? 3 milliseconds execute ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತದ? ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 5 ಉಳಿತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ನನಗೆ 5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರ್ತೀನಿ. It is 5. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು 5 ಅಂತ ಇತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ P2 ನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ P2. P2 ಯಾವಾಗ ಮುಗಿತದ? P2 again it will come out at 6 milliseconds. Next 9 ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? The 9 becomes ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಅದ. P2 already 3 execution ಆಯ್ತು. 9 minus 3 it will become a 6. It will become a 6. Next which one you are going to send? P3. At what time it will come out? At what time it will come out? At what time it will come out? 9. 6 plus 3, 9 milliseconds. 6 plus 3, 9 milliseconds. Now here tell me what happens. What is the remaining time now? ಉಳಿದ 1 minute. Very good. Now which one you are going to send? P4. P4 ಆಯ್ತು. At what time? 12. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡ್ರಿ? It is completed it starts. P2 completed, am I right? Sorry, P4 completed, am I right? P4 ಮುಗಿದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು, ಮುಂದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಗ್ದೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಬಸ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಹೌದೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? ಹೌದಿಲ್ರಿ? Isn't it? Isn't it, my dear students? Yes, very good. What happens now? Now what? Which one you are going to send again? ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ? ರೌಂಡ್ ರಾಬಿನ್ P1 ಅನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ. How many? How much? How many milliseconds? At what time it come out? At what time will it come out? At what time it will come out? 15. Very good. 15. 15. Ha. 5 ಒಳಗ 3 ಹೋಯ್ತು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತು? 2 ಉಳಿತು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 5 ಒಳಗ 2 ಹೋಗಿ 3 ಹೋಗಿ 2 ಉಳಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು? P2 na? At what time it is going to come out? 15 plus 3. 15 plus 3. 18. Very good. 18 ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂತು. Next. Well, P3 I need to send. P3 I need to send. P3 ಉಳಿದಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ. P3 ಉಳಿದಷ್ಟು 1 millisecond. I will execute it only for 1 milliseconds. That is 90. It's also completed. Now which one you are going to send? ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀರಿ? P1. Okay. At what time P1 is going to come out? It is going to complete, not come out. It is going to complete at 21. Why? 19 plus 2. 20 and 21. Correct adana? So ulidadanga from 21 to P2 ಉಳಿದದ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದೈತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅದು? How much it is? P2 ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತು? P2, how much remaining time? What is the remaining time of P2? 3 ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತಾ? 3 ಉಳಿದಿತ್ತಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಗೀತು? 24 ಗೆ ಮುಗೀತು. 24 ಗೆ ಮುಗೀತು. Is Gantt chart is clear to you? Is Gantt chart is clear to you now? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Well, so what I need to do now? What I need to do now? I need to draw the table. I need to draw the table. What is the table? What is the table? Process. Next, arrival time, burst time, completion time, TAT, WT, CT minus AT, TAT minus PT. ಹೌದಾ? ಹೌದೋ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ? ಈಗ I need to P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Very good. Next, total P1, P2, P3, P4. Arrival time 0012. Correct? What is the first time? 8943. 8943. Correct, Nima? Correct, Ape? Correct, right? Huh. What is the completion time of P1? What is the completion time of P1? P1 complete ಆಗಿದ್ದು 21. So P1 completion time is 21. What is P2's completion time? P2 completed at 24. What is the completion time of P3? Node complete ಆಗಿದ್ದು P3 19. P3 is completed at 19. What is the completion time of P4? P4 is completed at 12. P4 completed as 12. Now tell me the TAT, CT minus AT. 21 minus 0, 21. 24 minus 0, 24. 19 minus 1, 18. 12 minus 2, 10. Isn't it? Isn't it, my dear students? CT minus AT. 21 minus 0, 21. 24 minus 0, 24. 19 minus 1, 18. 12 minus 2, 12, 10. Howda? What is the total? Four, 5, 6, 73. Am I right? 73. Am I right? 73. Am I right? Yes, very good. Now tell me the Now tell me the waiting time. TAT minus BT. TAT minus BT. 21 minus 8. 21 minus 8. 21 minus 8 is 13. 24 minus 9 is 24 minus 9 is 24 minus 9 is 24 minus 9. 24 minus 9. Okay. 18 minus 4. 18 minus 4. 14. 10 minus 3. 7. 10 minus 3. 7. What is the total? $49. Are you there? The total is 49. Now calculate average waiting time equal to total of waiting time divided by number of processes. 49 by 4. Why 4? The number of processes are 4. What is the answer? What is the answer? $49 by 4. 12.25 milliseconds. Average turnaround time ಬರೀರಿ. Average turnaround time ಏನು ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? Average TAT equal to 73 by 4. 73 by 4. What is the average waiting time? Average turnaround time 18.5 25 milliseconds, which is the problem. We had solved 4 problems here. One is first come first serve, another one is SJF non-preemptive, another one is priority, last one is round robin. All the 4 concepts are clear to you now. All the 4 concepts are clear to you now. Please intimate me yes or no. All the students, not only 10 members. I'm seeing the comments, only 10 to 15 members are replying. Very good. All are clear. Good, good. In the next session, this problem I am going to solve for SJF preemptive. ಇದನ್ನ ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು SJF preemptive ಗೆ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ. I am solving it for SJF preemptive. Okay. Immediately I am going to send the link. Within a 5 minutes I am going to send the link. You need to connect. Okay. Is there any questions? Is there any question to you? Is there any questions? No questions at all. Well.